Okay, welcome back. Are you still there? If you're there, let me know if you can hear my voice and see my screen. We are about to take a trade. We're about to take a trade right now in the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. I hope you are able to see my screen. Just to see that. And it's just one confirmation that you're able to see my screen and hear my voice. We're about to take a trade in the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. All right. In the 1 hour time frame, price has been able to break free from this upper channel move, right? That swinging channel there, and we are seeing the massive breakout. It's a massive breakout to the downside. There is plenty of momentum to the downside. I hope I am not talking to myself. I'm going to shut down the screen right now. Okay, and Tony, thanks for that confirmation that you can hear me. Okay. All right. So price is heading downwards. This is a heavy one. We are going to place a trade. This trade might take some time. All right, but trust me, this is in my analysis, this is an optimal zone to look for short opportunities in this pair, and it's worth taking the risk. It is worth placing the trade, letting it run, not just for this week, all right, not just for today alone. I hope we get pullback, not just for today alone. We are going to keep this trade running until next week. All right, we are not going to be in a hurry to close this trade, so we'll keep it running until next week. These are the levels where we are going to be taking the trade. I hope I get a pullback here. Give me a minute. Take this. Let me use my lot size calculator. I'm going to this is the lot size calculator in case you are new to this. Before you take any trade, you always want to calculate the appropriate lot size for that trade. You always want to calculate the risk. You don't just want to click on any lot size. So here I am going to risk 3% on this trade. All right, that's my risk value. So I'm just going to punch in 3% there. So I'm risking 3% of my account. If my stop loss is hit, I am not going to lose more than 3% of my account. All right. Okay, that's all. Then I'm going to press my all button. That's all button. That's in A, B, C, D. All right. I'm going to press my all button after attaching the lot size to the chart. So I press my all button. You will see two lines, one red, the other one in green. So I'm going to pick my levels. This went really too far. The breakout candle went too far from the breakout point. Otherwise, I would have just clicked on my sell button straight on. But because it went too far, I am anticipating a pullback. I am anticipating price making a pullback to somewhere around in here before continuing that movement. So I'm going to place a sell limit order. All right, a sell limit order. That's what I'm going to place. So if price makes the pullback, we are going to get a better entry for this trade. Okay, so the stop loss is going to be a few pips above the high of this breakout candle. The entry, let's place it somewhere around in here, not too far, so that we don't miss the move to the downside. Let's place that. You can actually see the details of this trade as per my account balance with that lot size calculator. It's a fantastic tool. You can see the details there. It is recommending me to take 6.62 lot. I am risking 3%. If my stop loss is hit based on my account size, I am going to be losing this value, $2,292 on my account, which is approximately 34.3 pips. Okay, this is the entry and this is the stop loss. It is a sell limit order. It's a pending order. So I'm going to right click on my chart, go to trading, go to new order, select. It seems things are hanging for me. I don't like this. All right, I'm punching the lot size there. Remember, 6.62. That's the recommended lot size here. 6.62. It's a pending order. Okay, so it's a sell limit order. Don't forget, sell limit at what price? Entry 0.75424. 0.7542. Okay, 42. That's all right. Stop loss 0.7576. Stop loss 0.7576. Okay, all right, so that's it. My job is done here. I will be managing the trade once it is triggered. For now, I will just place the order, clicking on place right here, and that order will be placed. It's a pending order. Okay, give me a second here. All right, it's time to place the order. I'm hitting on the place button. All right, so that order is placed right now. I am expecting price to make a pullback. It can't just, I will be very angry if price keeps pushing to the downside straight on. I want to see pullbacks even to this area right there, pullbacks there, then next week for us to keep going to the downside. So set this order, set it right there, forget it, close your eyes on it, keep it till next week. Okay, so these are the details again. If you are just joining in, these are the details to take that trade. I wouldn't be happy to see price just crawl to the downside, and we need to be patient as well, because it can as well turn back up. Somewhere around in here is where I am expecting a reversal move. The Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc again is trading around an optimal area, and the directional bias seems to have changed right now to the downside. Okay, all right, so this seems to be my only trade for this week, because it's been a very slow trading week as traders were anticipating the FOMC, which didn't really move price anyway, and the NFP, which has just been released. We hope next week is going to be a much more active trading week for us to find more value trading opportunities. Okay, like I said, this trade is going to run until next week, so there is no need looking at your MetaTrader 4 24/7. If anything changes, we will notify you via the Telegram channel. For those of you who are subscribers to the Signal service, you will get every single information on how we manage this trade. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. I am wishing you a fantastic weekend. We hope next week is going to be great. Bye for now.